Hi friends, previously we have discussed about video tags and audio tags, but it has many other tags. So now we will be discuss about marquee tag. Marquee tag, which is basically used to move the text from one side to another side. Like it has many types. Direction, which is used to move it left to right, up to down, and behavior is used that how this tag will be implemented. So, and its default is scroll, and it will be move alternate and also as slide. So after this we will be introduced about div tag, which defines the sections or divisions. It is used as group block elements. So now article tag also used to write an article, and it has many other tags. So if you want more tags, then you can visit w3schools.com. So now open your text editor. You can see the element will be moved from right to left. Now I am changing its position. So now you can see that its behavior will be changed and its direction also changed. So now marquee tag is basically used to move the lines, and now the tag, which basically defines divisions of sections, and I create a one section. Now I give it a class. And I'm changing its style. I hope you have enjoyed. Thanks for watching the video.